Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to our another video. So you can see that at this moment we are staying at a place. It is just uh, at a school. So this school name is Kumarkhali Pilot Balika Madhyamik Vidyalay. It was established in 1863. So besides that, you can see that there is a big pond. So and you can see also you can see that besides that he is my teacher. So at this moment I will do some questions. I will some questions to my teacher. So teacher, are you ready?
Yes, obviously, I am ready. You can
So
ask any question at this moment. As we have come at a place, it is just,
at his school.
it is just it is just at the ground of ponds and beside a renowned school.
Yeah.
We can see that. Let me show that Kumarkhali Pilot Madhyamik Vidyalay.
Yeah.
It was established in 1863.
Yeah.
It is very renowned and it is very old, so majority percent people want to admit their
Of course.
shield in this institution. However, already you wanted to ask some question.
Yeah.
So you can ask this question to me.
At first I will tell you that how do you do.
Alhamdulillah, I am fine. Though
And
I am attracted by Cascold, yet still I am very good. Grace my Allah.
Yeah. So what are you thinking now?
Actually, I am thinking that those who will watch this video, or I will highly suggest them that if they watch this video, they will be very benefited watching by this video to be a great speaker, because at this moment we are practicing, and we know that practice makes a man perfect.
Yeah.
And we always see, we try to make a new video, new place, so that those who are our guys, they can be benefited watching by this video.
Of course. So okay,
Next question.
I have no questions at this moment, so not more longer. So see you again next video, next video inshallah. Not more longer. All the best.